Hi neighbors, Dusty here. I want to tell you a little story about these, I call them jitterbugs. These things, they sit up here and they wiggle back and forth. Got a little saw on the end. But when these things first came out, I have not seen any use for them at all, except for maybe cutting a hole in a piece of sheetrock. I'll give you a little walkthrough of what these things are good for. And I mean, I hate to be the one to say it, but I think everybody should own one, because you can get right up next to something. Of course, the square hole is only going to be as small as the blade is, so whatever you're going to cut a hole in. Now you can get smaller of these, but I really don't know anything about that. No, don't say that. Don't say anything about smaller or anything. Just say, okay. Well, let me kind of give you an idea. This comes with a lot of extra blades. Well, I had some here. I'll get them in a minute. Comes with extra. You can get all kinds of blades for these things. Anything from, like, if you want to clean the grout. Let's say you want to clean the grout on your countertop, or you want to clean the grout out of the bathtub, say the tile wall, or maybe you want to clean the caulking out of between the tub and the wall. I mean, it's amazing how many uses this thing has. Hi neighbors, I want to talk to you today about the what they call multi-tool or oscillating tool. I call it a jitterbug. There's only one jitterbug. Nothing else does anything that this doesn't do. But the nice thing about this is Ryobi, and you can get other attachments. This is Job Max rigid, and they will fit the jitterbug, which now it has turned into a ratchet, electric ratchet. Great for when you got a lot of bolts or whatever to take off, especially that's hard to get to. Well, anyway, you can take this off. Oh boy, it's always difficult. Okay, there we go. Which I'm glad it is difficult to get off, because if not, it'll probably be falling off all the time. And of course, now you can turn these, you know, different ways in case you need to whatever. But okay, we're back on there. Test. Okay, here we are. As you can see, they just keep building it up and building it up. They want it to look more like that over there, so you don't want to be too hard on. Same thing. Now you can see what we got, so that when we caulk it, it'll look like a brand new tub. Here again, the jitterbug comes through. And of course I can't think of all of them right now, but this is a very good tool to have around, and it does have safety instructions.